Do you want to make viral animal motivational TikTok videos like these that gain millions of views and likes? Then you have found the right video. I will show you all the steps to making a viral animal motivational video. Let's begin. First, we need to use ChatGPT to make the script for our video. Once you're in ChatGPT, use this prompt to make the scripts for our video. If the script is too short, ask ChatGPT to make it longer. The script should be around 1250 characters. You can copy the prompt down in the comments. Now head over to Pexels. Pexels has a huge library of the videos we are looking for. So click on Videos and then search up the animal that matches your script from ChatGPT. After that, head over to 11 Labs to make our voice. In 11 Labs, choose Adam since the voice is widely recognizable. Now take your script from ChatGPT, paste it into 11 Labs, and hit Generate. Now that we have our voiceover and images, let's head over to CapCut and create our video. First, put all your videos from Pexels in and our voiceover. Then, choose the ratio 9:16 and crop the videos till they match the video's size. Also make it so that the clips are as long as the voiceover, and add the transition black fade to the clips. Also add an adjustment that is -38 exposure. Now use the function auto-generate to make our subtitles. Once you have done that, go to templates and use a template that you like. Now adjust the text until it fits your liking. At the end of the video, add fade out to both the video and the subtitles. Now export the video and you're done. Let's take a look at the final product.
In life's vast wilderness, we often find ourselves navigating through dense forests of doubt and uncertainty. But amidst the chaos, let's take a moment to draw inspiration from the majestic elephant, a symbol of strength, wisdom, and resilience. Picture this: a serene savanna where the elephant roams freely, its footsteps echoing the rhythm of determination. Despite its immense size, it moves with grace and purpose, reminding us that true power lies not just in physicality, but in the steadfastness of spirit. Like the elephant, we too encounter formidable obstacles on our journey. But it's during these challenging moments that we must dig deep, tapping into the reservoirs of courage and fortitude within us. Remember, it's not the size of the challenge that matters, but the size of our resolve to overcome it. With each step forward, we embody the spirit of the elephant, pushing past our limitations and forging ahead with unwavering determination. And just as the elephant relies on its herd for support, we too can lean on our loved ones and allies for strength in times of need. Yes, the road may be long and arduous, filled with twists and turns we never anticipated. Yet, with every trial we face, we grow stronger, wiser, and more resilient. So, let's stand tall like the elephant, embracing the journey with open hearts and steadfast minds.
Fantastic. Now upload the video to all your socials, and remember to upload frequently to see results. Check out my profile if you want to learn more, and consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel.